Why these birds are flying? Are they catching anything? This place is going to be burning soon. All the way to the mountains. There is nobody live around here, man. There is nothing around here. You gotta be crazy to live around here. Summertime, ooh. I gotta get me a hot tub, bed tub or something here, bed tub. Man, when I get hot, don't make me shoot you. I got no food. I wish I brought this lizard right here. They will find that lizard right here. Oh, I think what they're doing, they're just flying, waiting for something to maybe take off. Then they can catch him. There is nobody around here, man, nobody. People, they say, why you shoot guns? Dude, I shoot guns. AK-47, AR-15, don't even make it the next hill right there. You know, it makes, but you know, I don't know how effective is that. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks.